Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using switch statement in Java. So let's get started. As part of this assignment, you need to write the Java programs for these two problems that I am going to give the instructions right now. So the first Java program that you need to write. So you need to write a Java program which prints the day of the week when we pass it a number. Okay, using the switch statement, you need to write a Java program which prints the day of the week when we pass it a number. For example, if I give a number 1 to the switch statement, it should print Monday. If I give the number 2, it should print Tuesday. Like that, I can give the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for 1 Monday, for 7 Sunday. Okay, you understood, right? So this is what is the first program you need to write the Java program for. And coming to the second Java program that you need to write, it should print excellent if we provide A. Okay. For A, it should provide excellent. It should print excellent. Okay. When you provide the letter or character A, it should print excellent. If you provide the letter B or character B, it should print very good. For letter C, it should print good. For letter D, it should print average. For letter F, it should print failed. This is what is the thing. Okay. You need to write this program using the switch statement where if I give A, it should print excellent. Like that for B, very good. For C, good. For D, average. And for F, failed. Okay. So these are the two Java programs you need to write as part of this assignment. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.